Hello everyone, today we'll be learning how to make these baskets. Take two lid containers and then stick cloth on one end of it. Then add these tube-like wired structures to it and then line it. Once you reach the top, line it once again. Do it in circles and then you may add yellow thread as well. Now we'll be learning how to make this pencil vase. Start off by doing a circular shape and then take an empty tissue roll. Now use jute thread to line it longitudinally and stick it in place, then add flowers on the outside. Take the lid of a container, add cloth on one of the sides and then add these tube structures to it. Then line it with some jute thread and then add two handles to it as well. Add some lace and a flower bow at the top as well. Take a container, line it with wires and then add some jute wire through it as well. Once again, make the handles at the top, wrap this around it, add a little bag in the inside. Line it with the ribbons as well. Next, take a pencil cup and then add your pencils to it. Take bendable wire as such and then line it in a curved shape around it. Then alternate between them and line it, add some cherries at the top. Now we'll be learning how to make the base for this tea stand. Start off by taking a red piece of paper, make this triangular shape out of it, cut the top off. Bend it into half, make multiple of these, stick them together as such to make it look like a flower. Add a base to it and then wrap red paper around it as such. Add it all to a tree. Thank you for watching.